Hi class, my name is Kiwanis Carter. Today I am going to speak to you about learning theory, behaviorism. Behaviorism focuses on objectively observing behavior and discounts mental activity. We learn behavior through classical or operative conditioning. Behaviorism is concerned with observable behavior as opposed to internal events like thinking and emotion. Repetition is a form of behaviorism, which means reinforcement. Reinforcements have two types, of which is the primary reinforcement and sometimes referred to as an unconditional reinforcement. Occurs mostly logical and does not require learning in order to work. Example of a primary reinforcement includes food, air, sleep, water, and even sex. Genetics and experiences may also play a role in how reinforcing such things are. The second reinforcement, known as conditioned reinforcement, involves incentives that have become pleasing by being paired with another reinforcing stimulant. Another reinforcement, which is the secondary reinforcement known as the conditioned reinforcement, also involves incentives that has been becoming pleasing and by paired with another reinforcement as stated. For example of that is when training a dog, praising and giving the dog treats must be used as a primary source. Also, association. Association in psychology refers to a connection between conceptions and titles of mental states and results for the similarities between those states or their proximity in space or time. Memory also seems to operate as a sequence of association. Theories, words, and opinions are like. So that drives such as a person walls will call up to association names. All right. And also the condition. Classical condition theory contains studying a new behavior via the process of association. In simple terms, two stimuli are linked together to produce a new learned response in a person or an animal, as you can see on the screen above for classical condition. All right. Operating conditioning can be explained as a practice that attempts to change one's conduct through the use of affirmative and harmful strength. Conditioning is a behavior system that the feedback to the body or event by an individual or creative or creature can be modified by learning or conditioning. Why use learning theory? Learning theories is a conceptual framework describing how information is absorbed, processed, and retained during the learning process. Cognitive, emotional, and environmental influences, as well as prior experience, all play a key part in how understanding how the world view is acquired over change and knowledge and skill trained. And that concludes my presentation on behaviorism. Thank you.